Hi all, so I bought two gold-plated HDMI bidirectional splitter switch. So I chose the cheapest one I saw on Shopee, which only cost me for about $3 each, or 150 Philippine peso, which is awesome, right? I will also drop the link on the description so you can check it out. So yeah, let's open and test it. So the packaging is just fine, but it doesn't have any protection foam or anything. So inside the Ziploc you can find the HDMI bidirectional switch and the user manual. So quick rundown for features and specifications. So you have here one HDMI input to two HDMI output. I have here a graphic, you can see it. So here for two HDMI input to one HDMI output. So yeah, this doesn't need for any power source, and compliance for HDMI version 1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. I'm not seeing any 2.0 there. I'm not seeing any 4K support, just like I saw on the ad. But yeah, let's try it. Okay, so here I have my LG TV on the right and my HKC monitor on the left, and I'm going to use it in a different way. Let me show you a quick graphic here to the side on how I want to do it. So here I have my two outputs, monitor and my TV. My TV has 3 HDMI ports and my monitor has 2, which is display port and HDMI port. Here you can see that this is connected to the splitter, and this HDMI is connected to this another device, and here's our input, our two input, which is the consoles, PS4 and Xbox. Let's go. Okay, so from here I have my PS4 and my Xbox, and it's already connected to the HDMI. Here's for the PS4 and here's for the Xbox, and I'm going to connect it to the HDMI splitter now on channel 2 for PS4, Xbox on channel 1, and I'm going to connect this to the other switch, like here, like that. Let me get the HDMI. Let's plug it there. Plug it on the other side as well, and it should be like this. And for the other switch, it will be connected to my LG TV and HKC monitor. So here, this is the actual or the physical connection based from the graphic I showed you earlier. Let's power it on. Let's power up the consoles. It's now powered up, so I can click this buttons right here to change or for the switcher. Here we are currently on the Xbox on splitter 2 on switch 1. I'm going to press it. I'm going to go to the switch 2, which is the PS4, and if I press it again, I'm going to go back to the Xbox, try it on the splitter one, which if I press this will go to my monitor. So again, this is for the PS4, this is the Xbox, and for the output side on splitter one, if I press it, it's going to go to my HKC monitor. Change it to PS4, press it on the right again, it's going to the Xbox, I press it to the TV. You get it, right? So yeah, we can see that it's working well, and we didn't see any degradation for the quality. Maybe if you use longer cables, you may see some degradation for the quality, but yeah, for my end, I use 2 meter for my HDMI each. The one in the middle is 1.5, I think. But yeah, I hope this video helped you, and if you do have any questions, just leave it on the comments section below, and thank you for watching.